Hi, my name's Christine Mack, and I'm going to be your instructor for college algebra this summer. And I'm really excited that you decided to take math over the summertime online with me. We have a few things that I'd like to show you just to get started. And one is this is our homepage. So here, through Desire to Learn, this is where you're going to get all your assignments, post your answers to things, get your grades, so much. So if you notice that there's some content here under the content browser, also if you press the content link over here, you're going to be able to find a whole bunch of resources. You won't have the instructor resources, but the other ones, course information, schedule, and so on. So this is where you want to start, and this is where I am going to have you begin. So how getting started is where you're going to begin. I hope that you all are excited to start this journey to learn math with us as a group and construct this knowledge together. And I look very forward to getting to know you better. So get started, and also, if you will, there's some getting started, getting to know you activities that you want to do before anything else. Okay, let's go.